Hello students, now we'll go for the next chapter, that is chapter 12, areas related to circles. Areas related to circles. Clear children? Just we have simple formulas, okay? Here already we know the what is the circle definition, what is the area, what is the perimeter, just revise. Even area of the ring also we can revise. Clear children? First we'll go for the circle. Draw the figure. From here to here, what is here? Radius, and this is suppose passing through the center. What is this is called? Diameter. And this is the radius. Clear children? What is the perimeter of a circle? Perimeter of a circle. Just I am writing P. P is what is here? Perimeter. Perimeter of a circle is what is? 2 pi r. You know formula, just revise and recollect the knowledge. Then what is the area? Area is equal to pi r square. Area is equal to pi r square. We know r is equal to, we can write another way also, that is d by 2 r. Then d is equal to what is 2r. Clear? This is we know from previous classes onwards. That is from class 6 onwards we are doing this one. Same thing again, just revise and recollect the knowledge of circles. Okay. Next, semicircle. Circle done, semicircle. Semicircle means half of the circle. Okay, this is semicircle. This whole is what is here? Diameter, center of the circle, semicircle. Here radius and here also radius. Then total what is here? Diameter. Clear? Then this one, this is equal to what is? 2r. Okay? Yeah. Now, perimeter of a semicircle. Perimeter is, then half of the perimeter. This one, half of 2 pi r plus, and even this part also, because perimeter means sum of the boundary, sum of all boundary we have to find. This part is half of 2 pi r plus this whole thing is what is? Diameter. Okay. Then 2 cancel, pi r plus d value is what is? 2r. So finally what is answer? Perimeter is pi r plus 2r. You can take r common also, r into pi plus 2. Clear? Perimeter of a semicircle is pi r plus 2r. Next, area. Area of a semicircle. Circle is pi r square. Area of semicircle means half pi r square, directly here. Half pi r square. Clear children? Perimeter is pi r plus 2r and area is area of a semicircle is half pi r square. Next, area of the ring or ring will go further. Ring. Suppose in ring one circle and another one till this one is the ring. Clear? And center of this two. Clear? What is the formula? First one, here the outer radius is present, that is we can take as capital R, and small up to this one, what is here? Small radius. Two radius are there, radii, that is capital R and small r. Now first we will go for the perimeter. For this one we don't have perimeter, means perimeter of circle and perimeter of circle, two are there, then okay, no need to write here. Okay, then we will go for the area. Area of the ring. In class 8 have learned again. Okay, just recollect the knowledge here. Area of the ring is equal to pi into, formula is circle is pi r square, but here two are there, one is inner, one is outer. That means pi into r square minus r square. This is the area of the ring formula. Clear children? Okay. Now we go for the sector. What is the sector? That is only little related to this one. Areas related to circles. Sector you learned in the circles chapter. Okay. Just recollect that. And last year also we learned about this one, sector. What is the sector? Just show the figure. Suppose this is a circle and center of the circle. The sector is between two radii and between radii and one arc. Okay, this part is called, what is here? Sector. Suppose you can take this one AB as a arc, and what is OA, OB are the radius between two radii and arc. This part is called, what is here? Sector. And this small one is called here minor sector. Minor sector. This upper part is called, what is here? Major sector. Major sector. Clear, children? We'll go for this formulas also. Later we will go. Now this is the sector. Then we'll go for the segment. Segment. What is the segment? Here the sector is dividing here two radii, between that two here and one arc. But here segment is, the chord is dividing into two parts. Yeah, suppose this is a circle and center here. Then draw one chord here. This part, there is no radii in this. Here, this part is called one segment. Here also same. One is a minor segment, one is a major segment. This down one is, what is here? Minor segment. The chord is dividing here. Clear? Then upper part complete from here to here is, what is? Major segment. What is the difference between sector and segment? Segment is dividing, the chord is dividing. Then sector is, what is here? Between two radii and one arc. Here also same way. Sector and segment. But here one angle is forming in sector. Clear, children? This is the radius. Clear? Between, what is here? These two radii, one angle is forming. Students, now we will go for the sector of a circle. Now what is sector we know.